Do you know that 80% of the heat lost through your floor actually escapes through the slab edge? Insulating your slab edge is one of the easiest and most effective ways to prevent this heat loss, and today I'm going to show you how you can do it using the Kingspan GreenGuard 350. Kingspan GreenGuard 350 is a high density extruded polystyrene, also known as XPS. It has a high compressive strength of 300 kPa. It's got excellent thermal resistance and is a closed cell structure, which means it's waterproof and won't absorb any moisture. Each board is 40mm thick and has an R value of R1. It's tough, lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for slab edge insulation. Before we get started, just a few things to remember. Check the energy or BASIX report. Make sure the R values of the GreenGuard meet or exceeds the minimum requirements. Measure the perimeter of the building to calculate how many sheets of GreenGuard you'll need. And finally, tell your concreter the thickness of the XPS so they can factor that into their formwork setup. Alright, let's get started. Today we're insulating the slab of a home office which will have lightweight cladding. So in this case, we're going to be running the slab edge insulation flush with the top of the slab. If you would be doing a brick veneer home, you would run that flush with the top of the rebate. The best time to install the insulation is before the concrete's poured, because it helps ensure that you get a nice flat surface for the boards to sit against. It can be installed after the concrete's been poured, but it's often a little bit trickier because your slab isn't always completely flat. Alright, let's get going with the install. Start by installing the full boards first, using a little bit of tape to hold the boards in place. Butt the joins of the board tightly for a continuous layer with no gaps. Cut the boards to length using a saw or a Stanley knife and fill in the remaining sections. Once the concrete is poured and the formwork is removed, the board should stay in place. Now you can backfill the soil against the boards. If any boards come loose, fix them with a non-solvent adhesive like Sikaflex or use masonry nails and washers. Kingspan GreenGuard is super easy to install and it's a great way to make your house energy efficient. If you want to know more about the product, please feel free to reach out to us at pricewise.com.au or give us a call and we'll be more than happy to help.